We are in Disneyland today. We are going to do the mountain challenge, where we go on all the mountains in Disneyland: Space Mountain, Thunder Mountain, the Matterhorn, because it's a mountain, and Splash Mountain. So let's get ready. We have to do it in an hour. Can we do it? Can we do it? We can do it. Let's go. It is now. I can't tell. It's 1:30. 1:30. It's going to be an afternoon mountain challenge. Great challenge. Great challenge. Can't wait. It's such a nice day today. On the escalator. Ooh, there's that spot. Always gets me. Pro tip, if you have a weak bladder like I do and you have to drive an hour to get to Disneyland, there's a restroom right by the elevator. Don't wait till you get to the park, because you won't make it. I just walked all the way to security. Realized I forgot my wallet in the car. My annual pass is in my wallet. It's such a great day. It's a great day today. So, you know, I've started to develop a really bad habit of not knowing where I parked. It's like, oh, you parked in Goofy. Great. And then I walk around all of Goofy till I find my car. But I found it. But it's now 1:40. So I have 20 minutes to get to the park. Let's hope that happens. Round two. Oh, there it is again. Back on the escalator. It's now 43. 1:43. I don't know if I'm gonna make it by 2. Here's to hoping.
We're coming to... Yeah.
Alright, just got off the tram. I have 6 minutes to get to the clock. Can that happen? Oh, that's better. Hello, lighting. Oh no! Okay, a little bit longer lines than I thought. I still got 5 minutes. Oh, I don't think it's gonna happen, guys. I'm in. That was shorter than expected. That was nice. Little expedited line there. Oh my god! I think I have like 2 minutes. I should probably change my face. Watch face. Should probably change my watch face. I'm already sweating. Okay, it is now 2 o'clock. So my challenge has officially started to do all the mountains in an hour. Make it back to the clock on Main Street. Here we go. See, I've already set myself up for failure because Thunder Mountain doesn't have a fast pass till 7:05. So that's fun. So with Space Mountain single rider first, I guess. I'm just gonna keep refreshing fast pass and hopefully I can get one that somebody cancels. That's gonna be my only way to make this happen. Although it is a beautiful day today in Disneyland. Power walk, power walk, power walk. I've never done Space Mountain single rider. So we'll see what happens. I'm just gonna ask, because I don't know where to go. There's a single rider for Star Tours. Maybe I'll hit that up. Oh, hey. Never really realize how small Tomorrowland walkways are until you have to get somewhere in an hour. I want to apologize to everybody I've already hit. I don't mean to. I'm just doing it for the tube. We are here! Okay, stand by is at 80 minutes. We're gonna see how fast single rider goes. Let's ask. Okay. So you do not go to the entrance for single rider. I'm wasting so much time. It's now 2 something. I can't tell because I've never used this watch face. This lighting is great. Love it. I had to ask a cast member because there's no signs. Okay, U-turn. I see it. There's just... Guys, it's hot. It's hot. Through the exit. Everyone's leaving, so I'm assuming that this is the exit. But I've been on this ride before. How do I not know that this is the exit? Okay, so around the bathrooms, there's this nice little single... Oh, it's me! Single rider! Oh, it's back to... Oh, no, it's right here. Look at that. It's kind of long. That's not gonna happen. 2:05. My watch says, looks like you're working out. No, I'm just doing a challenge. Alright guys, that was a bust. It is 2:45. I got off Space Mountain about 5 minutes ago. Single rider took way longer than I thought it was gonna take. I'm gonna stop right here because this is gonna be some great riding. Took a lot longer than I was expecting. There were a lot of empty seats that could have been taken by single riders, and they weren't. I'm not gonna get on 3 more rides in an hour, but I did snag a Big Thunder Mountain Railroad Fast Pass while I was in line, so I'm gonna go on that. Cause why not? So let's do that, and then maybe do this a different day. So pretty! Oh, Gaston is here. That's interesting. It's quite fun. All right, here we go. Big Thunder Fast Pass. All right, so I had to wait. I wasn't as close to the time that I thought it was gonna be at. So I'm just waiting. But I also have to say, it is hot for only 68 degrees. I'm still getting used to this California sunshine. It's way hotter than the Wisconsin sunshine. I'm sweating. You know, I might get a churro. Hey, I'm gonna get a churro. Going on Big Thunder Mountain. So in the theme of today, usually the left line is way faster, but it's not. So I went to the left, and now the right side's going way faster. Today is just a great day to go on the mountains, guys. All right, it is 3:05, so what a great day to do a challenge. I think this is turning into what not to do for the mountain challenge. Got my churro! Nothing better than churro. Imagination! Dream a fantastic dream. Hello, mountain I didn't go on. This is the longest I've waited for Winnie the Pooh. It's only been like 7 minutes, but that's a long time for Winnie the Pooh. But I also love this song. Never mind, I changed. See, the universe has been against me since I left the parking lot. But I'm so excited for Winnie the Pooh.
Happy birthday! Hooray! Oh my God!
I feel like the one thing that they need to work on here are the brakes for the rides. All of them. All of them. So sad. Bye, Pooh. Guys, today gonna be a day where things go more wrong. How to have an epic day of failure at Disneyland. All right, I'm gonna go to DCA. Going to DCA, and the best song ever plays on the Esplanade. And DCA. Gonna go to Ghirardelli, get some white mocha sauce from my coffee because I just ran out this morning. Cars Land, not going there because it's always really busy and crowded. And there she is. I don't see it. I don't see it. Oh my god, what am I gonna do? I don't see it. Is it? I see it. They moved it. Got my sauce and some bread. Free bread is the best bread. I think it's time to go home. I'm exhausted from failing at everything except my chocolate sauce. I'm gonna stop and look at some merch because I am obsessed with this Spirit jersey. It's a hoodie. I love a good hoodie. Okay, I'm gonna circle back. That's a choice. As much fun as it has been to completely fail at Disneyland today, I'm gonna go home. So, other than that, make sure you check out our Instagram, and we'll see you guys real soon.